how to remap or reassign different functions to the secondary mouse button on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, you want to scroll down and then tap on General Management. Next, we scroll down and tap on Mouse and Trackpad. Then in here, tap on Secondary button. By default, it is set to Open Contextual Menu. Now you can turn it off by selecting None. Or you can choose Show the App Screen, Home, Recents, Back, View Notifications, Open Quick Settings, or you can even choose to open up any apps that you like. And that's it. So I can assign the home button so that when I click on my secondary mouse button, it will go back to the home screen. So here you can see, if I click on it, it go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.